Hi publishers, today we are going to dive into the world of Telegram auto postings and its incredible benefits, particularly when it comes to affiliate marketing with Cuelinks. But first thing first, what is Telegram auto posting? Well, it is a game-changing feature that allows affiliate marketers to automatically publish content on multiple Telegram channels, such as deals, coupons, links, and product recommendations without any manual intervention. Now, let's talk about the perks of Telegram auto posting, especially when you're using a platform like Cuelinks. Benefit number one, it is a time-saving method. So with Telegram auto posting, you can set up your content once and let the system do the heavy lifting for you. Say goodbye to the tedious manual postings and hello to more time of strategic planning and also growing your business. Benefit number two, you will get simplified management and scalability. By automating your posting process on Telegram, you can efficiently manage multiple channels or groups or streamline your workflow and scale your affiliate marketing efforts with ease. Benefit number three, you will get unique links for each Telegram channels. With Cuelinks Telegram auto posting, you receive a unique tracking link for each respective Telegram channel. This feature is particularly helpful for identifying the source of traffic from each channel. So now I will show you how it actually works, and there's a step-by-step process for setting up Telegram auto posting. So let's get started. Let's first get started with adding your Telegram channels to your Cuelinks account. Head over to your Cuelinks dashboard and navigate to My Channels. Add your Telegram channel and make a note of the approved Telegram channel ID. Let's create a one bot by using BotFather. Open up the Telegram app or desktop and search for BotFather. Search a chat with BotFather with input/start, then enter /newbot. Enter the username for your bot, ensuring it ends with _bot, and then copy the API key generated as your bot token. Next, you need to add the bot which you created from BotFather and Cuelinks bot in your Telegram channel and give them admin privileges as shown. Make sure you have given both bots access to post the messages. Now, head back to the Cuelinks panel and go to Resource Center from Telegram auto posting. Paste the bot token you generated from BotFather here. Select the Telegram channels you want to auto post. Make sure you have enabled the Telegram auto posting button. So now is the auto posting time. Open Telegram and find the Cuelinks bot. Enter the channel ID where you want to auto post and paste the content you want to share. You will receive a one-time password on your registered Cuelinks mobile number and email ID. Enter the OTP and your message will be auto posted. Note, this OTP process is a one-time thing only. You do not need to enter your OTP again and again once your mobile number is verified. And there you have it. With Telegram auto posting, you can now streamline your marketing efforts and reach your audience with ease. And don't forget to enable or disable auto posting directly from the Cuelinks bot using the /autopost_status command. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any doubts, do contact support@cuelinks.com. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks on affiliate marketing. Happy auto posting!